In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track deliverables in Airtable. We'll build a clean, reliable workspace that makes it easy to see what needs to get done, who's responsible, and when it's due. By the end, you'll have a simple system you can maintain in just a few minutes a day. Start by logging into Airtable on desktop. Click Add a Base, choose Start from Scratch, and name it Project Deliverables Tracker. Keeping the name clear helps everyone know exactly what this base is for. Next, create 4 core tables: deliverables, projects, tasks, and team members. These work together so you can manage high-level outcomes, the projects they belong to, the smaller steps required, and the people doing the work. Open the deliverables table and add your fields. Use deliverable name as single-line text. Link related project to the projects table so each deliverable has a home. Link assigned to team members to capture ownership. Add a due date field to drive timelines. Add a status single select with not started, in progress, and completed. Include a priority single select with low, medium, and high. Finally, add a completed checkbox for a quick visual indicator. Status tells the story. The checkbox gives you fast reporting. In the projects table, add project name, start date, and end date. Create a status single select to reflect overall health. Link deliverables back to the deliverables table so each project shows everything it must ship. In the tasks table, add task name, then link related deliverable to tie each task to its parent deliverable. Include a due date, a status single select with to do, in progress, and done, and a completed checkbox. This is where day-to-day work lives. In team members, add team member name and role. Link assigned tasks to the tasks table and assign deliverables to the deliverables table, so each person's workload is visible in one place. Now link everything together. Connect tasks to deliverables, deliverables to projects, and assign team members. If you don't already have Airtable open, you can use the link at the top of the description to open the website and set up your project deliverables tracker step by step. Create key views to focus your attention. In deliverables, make active deliverables filtered to not started or in progress, a completed deliverables view for finished work, and a high priority view filtered to priority is high. In tasks, add today and upcoming views to surface actionable steps. Sort and filter to stay aligned. Sort deliverables by due date or priority, and filter tasks by assigned team member or project. Maintain your tracker by updating task and deliverable status daily, and reviewing projects weekly to keep schedules accurate. That's how you can track deliverables in Airtable to stay on top of every project. Thanks for watching.